Ready to streamline your ACC claiming through Nookal, but not sure where to get started? In this video, I'll guide you through step by step the simple process of setting up your integration so that you can start submitting claims and invoices effortlessly. First, you'll need to ensure your providers are set up correctly in your account. To do this, navigate to Setup, Users, Staff, and then into the provider's profile. Make sure the staff member is marked as a provider with a diary and that their registration number is added in here. While you're here, you can allocate an ACC provider type as well. Once you've saved those changes, head back to Setup, go to Connections, Integrations, toggle on the ACC integration and click Configure. Now that you're in the configuration area, you'll need to enter your vendor details by clicking the Create New Vendor button. The key fields to fill in here are the vendor name and vendor ID, which should have been provided to you by ACC. You can also input your GST, facility number, and contract ID if needed for this vendor. Next, we'll assign the relevant providers to this group. Click the plus icon and be sure to have your digital certificate device handy for this step. Once you've selected the appropriate provider, upload their digital certificate, enter the password provided by ACC, and click the Add Provider button. Repeat this process for all your providers and any additional vendors you might need to include. And after that, you're all set to start claiming.